Ford Kodiak Locksport.
Hey everybody, this is Lord Kodiak. I'm here to do the second Cuff College SW2 challenge from the Shacklemen Cuff Club. This is 2 in the bag. So the idea behind this challenge is soup up your Smith Wesson key. Again, I'm using good old-fashioned Dawn dish detergent, and it's goopy. Yeah, there's no doubt in that. Okay. Put on some Smith & Wesson cuffs, put your hands, both hands in the bag, pick up the key with one hand, enter it through the bag into the keyhole, release yourself from the cuff, and then put the key back down. Use the other hand, pick up the key, and release yourself through the bag once again with the other hand. So I want to thank Labs 13 for letting me have his personal handcuffs here so I can do these challenges. It's very nice of him. Go check out his channel. And Not Too Dead, Coxie's Picks, C-Stu Do. Thank you for putting on these challenges and letting me enter the Shacklemen Cuff Club. I really appreciate that. So, alright, Not Too Dead. Let's see if I can do 2 in the bag, shall we? I can't get in the cuff, much less out of the bag. Alright, get the old bag here. Let's try something that Not Too Dead said to do. Reach through here. Okay, both hands are in there. I'm going to use my right hand first and try to find the keyhole. This does make it a little bit challenging, I will say that. I can feel the hole, just can't get all the way in it. No smart comments from the peanut gallery. Ah, I lost it. My hand's coming out. It's still in the bag though. I'll show you. Okay, I'm in. Okay. I'm out of that one. Okay. Get the key out of the hole. Put it back down. I'm going to make sure it's nice and soupy again. Don't want nobody to think I'm cheating here. Hand back in here. Pick it up and try to find the hole. Got more better idea what I'm doing this time. There we go. So that's 2 in the bag. Complete and in the bag.